Let's explore the media bar in Crestron Home, a quick way to view and control all the active media in your home. You'll notice this bar at the bottom of many Crestron Home screens. This is the media bar, showing all the active audio and video playing throughout your home. Here you can see what's playing, on which device, and in which room. You can use the transport controls, play, pause, skip, or use the power button to turn off the media. Tap these arrows for more granular controls, like adjusting volume or switching sources. Want to turn off all media in a specific room, or even set a sleep timer to power everything down automatically? It's right here. Need to turn off all the media in your entire home? Just tap Turn Off All Media. Quick and easy. That's a look at the media bar in Crestron Home. And no matter how you control your Crestron Home, phone, tablet, or touch panel, you'll always have the same familiar experience. For more tips, check out the Crestron Home Quick Start Guide.